Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and whoever is new, a warm hi to them. And my name is Shikruti and I'm the face of Girl Genie. And today I'm going to share you the haul video that I have just bought from Myntra, that Ooh La 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 sale. From that end of season sale I have bought something. I actually bought 4 pieces of clothes. One, this top that I'm wearing right now, another one is a top, another one is a full set of ethnic wear, and another one is a dress. So I will show you that whole thing. And first of all, whoever is new, just don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like my videos. I have already uploaded so many videos, so don't forget to watch all these and just let me know how the videos are. And so without wasting the time, just let's get into the video. This one is a normal black t-shirt, the casual one. I love black t-shirts, so that is why I have bought it. And it is from the brand Roadster, and it is in 3/4 sleeve. I haven't removed the tag yet, so yeah, sorry for that. And you can see that logo of Roadster there. Yes, it is very comfy and you can just wear it. It is very comfortable. As you can see, the second one is also a black top and it is from Here and Now. It cost me around 274, but the actual price is 999, and it is in size small obviously, and you can see that knot is there. It gives you a very funky look. It is kind of a crop top and with a short sleeve. It gives you a just a cute look. So the third one is ethnic set, what I love to wear, and this one is from Visud, and the color I loved it most. And the thing is that it cost me around 727, and the actual price was around 2600, and I saved like 1900 rupees, so that is a yay thing for me. And you can easily wear it to your office or to any random place. I just love to wear ethnic, so yeah, you can see, and I am looking pretty beautiful. So as you can see, the last one is the dress, the floral dress. I'm in love with floral. So this one is from the Tokyo Talkies, and it costs me, guys, only 468 rupees. That means 468, and the actual cost was 1550, I think, and I have saved 1000 rupees. And there is a belt. You can just keep that, or if you want, you can just knot it like this. I am in love with this dress. It just gives me my vibes, and I'm in love with that floral things. So yeah, just let me know which one you like the most. Okay. So I hope you have liked the video. Whatever I have bought, I have showed you all. And if you people are wondering what was the size that I have taken the size small for all the clothes, and whatever the brand description that I have already told you. And I hope you we have just love the video, and don't forget to tell me which one suited me the most. And yeah, so just keep loving me just the way you are doing. As I know you like the video, so don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends. Okay, so yeah, bye bye for now. Just be happy, stay happy, and keep loving yourself. So bye bye guys.